Today, we're diving into 10 simple car habits that can literally save you thousands of dollars in repairs over the life of your vehicle. Whether you're driving a brand new car off the lot or rolling with a reliable used ride, these habits are easy to follow and they make a massive difference in how long your vehicle lasts and how often you end up at the mechanic. The truth is, most drivers unintentionally damage their cars every single day. But if you build these 10 habits into your routine, you'll avoid breakdowns, extend your vehicle's lifespan, and keep more money in your pocket. So if you've ever felt like your car keeps draining your wallet, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the first game-changing habit every smart car owner should know. Habit number 1, warm up the engine. Warming up your engine isn't just an old-school myth. It actually serves a purpose, but only when done correctly. Many drivers either skip this step entirely or overdo it. The sweet spot: let your car idle for 30 to 60 seconds on cold mornings. That's just enough time to get the oil circulating and protect internal components. Why is this important? When your car sits overnight, engine oil settles at the bottom of the pan. Starting your engine and immediately revving or driving hard can cause metal-on-metal friction, especially when it's freezing outside. This friction wears down your pistons, cylinders, and valves over time, and you don't want to know the repair bill for that. But on the flip side, idling too long wastes fuel, increases emissions, and can gum up your spark plugs. Modern engines don't need 5 or 10 minutes to warm up like older models did. So the habit is simple. Start your car, let it idle for under a minute, then drive gently for the first few miles. That warms up your transmission, tires, brakes, and engine at the same time. Over the course of a year, this tiny habit can save you hundreds or even thousands in premature engine wear. Stick to a maintenance schedule. Think of your maintenance schedule like a doctor's checkup for your car. Ignore it, and problems build silently. Follow it, and your vehicle thanks you with smooth performance and fewer surprises. Here's the deal. Every car has a manufacturer-recommended maintenance plan. It includes things like oil changes, timing, belt replacements, spark plug intervals, fluid, flushes tire, rotations, brake inspections. It's all laid out in your owner's manual. But most drivers never even look at that manual, and it shows. Waiting until something feels wrong is often too late. At that point, you're already dealing with damage, not prevention. The difference: a $60 fluid flush versus a $1,500 transmission rebuild. Make it a habit to check your manual. Set calendar reminders for major services and keep a maintenance log. Some apps can help too, like Carfax Car Care or Simply Auto. You don't need to be a mechanic, you just need to be proactive. Cars that follow their service schedule last 50 to 100% longer than those that don't. Habit number 3, never let your fuel tank run to low driving on. Fumes might feel thrilling, but it's bad news for your car. When your fuel tank runs low, your fuel pump works harder, and sediment from the bottom of the tank can get sucked into your engine. Over time, this clogs your fuel filter and damages the pump. Replacing a fuel pump costs $500 to $1,200. The smart habit: keep your tank at least 1/4 full at all times. This also prevents moisture buildup in your tank, which can lead to rust and water contamination in your fuel system. During winter, low fuel levels can even lead to fuel line freeze-ups, stranding you in freezing temps and potentially damaging your engine. So next time that fuel light comes on, don't delay. Stop for gas and save yourself a repair headache later. Habit number 4, check tire pressure. Monthly tires that are overinflated or underinflated wear unevenly, reduce fuel efficiency, and are more likely to blow out. Driving on bad tires is one of the leading causes of highway breakdowns and accidents, and it costs Americans over $2 billion annually in unnecessary tire replacement and suspension repairs. The fix: check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Use a simple digital gauge. or many gas stations have free pressure stations. Look for the correct PSI pounds per square inch on a sticker inside your driver's door, or in your manual, not on the tire itself. Also, don't forget the spare tire. Many people neglect it until they need it, and by then, it's useless. Proper tire maintenance alone can extend your tire life by 20,000 miles, saving you hundreds of dollars per year. Habit number 5. Wash your car. Especially in winter, washing your car isn't just about looking good. It's about protecting your paint, undercarriage, and resale value in winter. Road salt can eat away at your vehicle's metal components, especially your brakes, suspension, and frame. This leads to rust and corrosion that can cost thousands to fix. But even in summer, bug splatter, tree sap, and bird droppings are acidic and can damage paint if left too long. The smart habit: wash your car every 2 to 3 weeks, and immediately after snowstorms or salty road conditions. And don't forget to rinse the undercarriage. If possible, add a layer of wax every 3 to 4 months. It acts like sunscreen for your car. Regular cleaning keeps your vehicle looking newer, longer, and protects it from hidden damage. Habit number 6. Don't ignore the check engine light. Check engine light isn't just a suggestion. It's your car's cry for help. Ignoring it can turn a $50 sensor replacement into a $3,000 catalytic converter disaster. Sure, sometimes it's minor, like a loose gas cap. Other times, it signals serious issues like engine misfire, oxygen sensor failure, emissions, system damage, faulty spark plugs. Buy a cheap OBD2 scanner, about $20 on Amazon. Plug it in and read the code yourself, or take it to an auto parts store. Most will scan it for free. The habit: never drive for days or weeks with that light on. Find out what's wrong and fix it before it gets worse. Habit number 7. Use the right oil and change it. On-time oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and yet too many drivers either forget to change it or use the wrong kind altogether. Neglecting oil changes causes your engine to overheat, wear prematurely, and even seize completely, which could leave you with a repair bill of $4,000 or more. But it's not just about when you change it, it's also what you use. Modern engines are designed for specific oil types, synthetic versus conventional, OW20 versus 5W30, etc. Using the wrong one can reduce engine performance, increase emissions, and void your warranty. What's the fix? Check your owner's manual for the exact oil type. Stick to the recommended interval, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for synthetic. Don't rely only on the sticker. Check the dipstick once a month, changing your oil on time. And using the right viscosity protects your engine's internal parts and adds years to its life. Habit number 8. Keep your battery clean and check. A weak battery doesn't just cause no-start problems. It puts extra stress on your alternator and electrical system, which can lead to bigger issues. Batteries typically last 3 to 5 years, but extreme temperatures, short trips, and corrosion can shorten their life. Make it a habit to visually inspect your battery monthly. Clean the terminals if you see corrosion. Use a baking soda and water mix. Check the voltage. If your car starts slowly, you can buy a simple voltmeter or ask any auto parts store to test it for free. A new battery costs around $150, but ignoring it could cost you $1,000 plus if it takes your alternator or computer system down with it. Habit number 9. Don't ride the brakes if you drive with one foot lightly pressing the brake pedal, especially downhill. You're wearing out your brake pads, rotors, and even calipers faster than necessary. Brakes are designed to handle heat, but riding them causes constant friction, which leads to glazing and warping. The smarter habit: use engine braking when going downhill. Let your car slow naturally, apply firm, controlled braking when you need to stop. Leave plenty of following distance to avoid panic stops. This one habit can extend your brake life from 25,000 miles to 70,000, saving you hundreds every couple of years. Habit number 10. Replace air filters regularly. Your engine and cabin air filters do a lot more than you think. They prevent dirt, pollen, dust, and bugs from entering your engine or cabin. A clogged engine air filter reduces fuel efficiency, slows acceleration, and can even cause your engine to run rich, which damages the spark plugs and sensors. A dirty cabin air filter reduces airflow, fogs your windows, and can strain your HVAC system. The habit? Replace both filters every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year. They cost about $15, $30, and take 5 minutes to swap out. You don't even need tools for most cars. Skipping this can cost you hundreds in fuel and wear, or a $1,000 HVAC repair. And there you have it, 10 simple car habits that can help you avoid expensive repairs, extend your vehicle's life, and save you thousands over time. Each habit takes just a few seconds or minutes, but the payoff is huge. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tips that can save you money. And keep your car running like new. And let us know in the comments, which of these habits do you already follow? And which one are you adding to your routine starting today? Thanks for watching. Sense.Drive Smart. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the